Hi everyone, Hannah here from Sheet Leveler. In today's Excel tutorial, I'm going to show you a simple but incredibly effective way to track progress toward a goal using the REPT function. That's spelled R-E-P-T. This little function can create a clean, text-based progress bar directly inside your spreadsheet. Let's jump in. Setting up the progress bars. Here I have a list of car salespeople. Each person is aiming for 100 total sales by the end of the year. I've already totaled each person's sales across the months, and their year-to-date results appear in column N. I want a quick way to visually show how close each person is to reaching that 100 sale target. I could use conditional formatting or sparklines, but in this case, the REPT function makes the cleanest little progress bars. I'll start by clicking into cell 03. Now I'll type the formula. Equals REPT left parenthesis, quote pipe symbol, quote, comma N3 right parenthesis, which looks like this when typed normally. REPT N3. Here's what each part means. REPT repeats text a specific number of times. The text I'm repeating is the pipe symbol, also called a vertical bar. It's on the same key as the backslash. The number of repetitions depends on the total sales in cell N3. I'll press Enter, and instantly you can see a long string of vertical bars. This already sort of looks like a progress bar, but we can do even better. With cell 03 still selected, go to the Home tab. In the font group, change the font to Playbill. The Playbill font removes the built-in spacing between the bars, so the repeated pipe symbols merge together into a clean, solid bar, almost like a tiny horizontal bar chart. Step 3. Fill the formula down. I don't need to rewrite the formula for every person. I'll click back on 03. Then double-click the fill handle. That's the little green square in the bottom right corner of the cell. Excel instantly copies the formula down the entire column, giving every salesperson a progress bar based on their current totals. Now, we have a visual representation of everyone's progress toward the 100 sale goal. Optional, customize the color. If I want to make the bars stand out more, I can. Select the entire range of progress bars. Change the font color to green, red, or anything I like. Step 4. Watch the bars update automatically. Let's pretend December sales come in. As soon as I type those new numbers into December's column, the totals update. And so do their progress bars. For example, if Zoe hits exactly 100 sales, her bar stretches all the way to the rightmost point of column O. To make that easier to see, I can slightly adjust the column width, so the right edge lines up with exactly 100 repeated characters. That gives a quick visual indicator of what 100% looks like. This makes it incredibly easy to compare progress across the entire team at a glance. And that's just one clever use of the REPT function. With a bit of creativity, you can use it for timelines, visual scales, rating bars, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like, follow, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell so you're notified when I post new videos.